Another day, another package. This is from Kumabasa. It's in Chinese. I have been seeing this feed ko. And as a content creator, this is really something na kailangan ko because as you guys know, I have been trying to be a little more creative. Puro talking head kasi yung mga videos ko. This is the vacuum suction. It's a phone holder and it does have this innovative design wherein kahit saan na surface, didikit siya. And it comes with this instruction manual. This, which again, I don't know kung paano pang gamitin, but this is the actual product wherein you can stick it anywhere. Itatoggle mo lang siyang ganyan and it will suck the shit out of everything. I guess this is pandikit. Hindi ko alam kung saan gagamitin, but if hindi mag-safe yung ikakabit ninyo, you can attach this. And it's so cute. I love the color. I think, although, one thing that I noticed, I know that I ordered something in black, not white. But that is okay. Dahil hindi ko mapakita sa cellphone ko, ito na lang ginamit ko. So, nilagay ko siya sa pader. And then, yung pinang didikit sa likod, it's actually here. Nilagay ko na lang dito sa iPad. Pagkakabit mong ganyan, ikakabit mo lang siya ganun, girl. Pack. Pack. Uy. Kumapit ka, girl. Ayan. Hala, natatakot ako para sa iPad ko. Oh! Yes, kaya niya yung iPad Pro, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah, ganyan lang siya. Siyempre may trust issues ako nakasalo kung ganyan, pero I think it can. It can.